Hello Year 6 students, parents and carers. My name is Mr Kinsey and I'm Deputy Head Teacher at Sir Thomas Bottler Church of England High School. One of my roles at our school is to make sure that you will have the very best teaching and learning opportunities in all of your subjects. Another one of my roles is to make sure that we all achieve the highest standards together. Now, standards at our school could relate to a number of things such as uniform, behaviour, punctuality or how prepared you are for learning. If we get all of these things right, then we'll be successful together. By now you've probably heard that in the Bottler family we expect high standards. We also have high aspirations and high expectations for all our students, and we're looking forward to working closely with our new Year 6s to make sure that you can be the best that you can be. Now, there's a very important word that we often use at Sir Thomas Bottler, and that word is knowledge. Having knowledge in lots of different subjects is very, very important, and we believe that knowledge is power. Knowing things is great. Now, we want you to know lots of things in lots and lots of different subjects, and our lessons are designed for you to remember more and more information. All of our lessons follow a similar structure, which I will share with you now. Now, first, in order to learn in the best way, we need to be able to concentrate and think deeply. Therefore, the teacher is in charge of 3 different ways of working. These are called teacher time, task time and team time. If the teacher calls teacher time, that means the teacher will be doing the talking and nobody else talks while the teacher is talking so that it can share important information with you about each topic. If the teacher calls task time, that means that the students work in silence on the task that the teacher has set. And if the teacher calls team time, that is an opportunity for you to work together in pairs or small groups on the task that the teacher has set. Now, I've already mentioned about remembering key knowledge. One of the ways that we do this is by starting each lesson with something called a recall 5. So the teacher asks you 5 questions at the start of every single lesson about some information that you will have learnt in previous lessons. Now, we expect you to think deeply to try and remember the answers to these questions. When we think deeply, we remember more information. Now, knowledge is sticky, and the more that we know, the more that you can learn and build upon that existing knowledge that you have learnt in previous lessons. Now, with this in mind, each of our students in our school also has a knowledge organiser. Now, this knowledge organiser is carried by a student every day to every lesson, and it is used to support homework and to support learning in lessons. Now, the teacher will teach you how to use your knowledge organiser effectively. Every lesson, we expect you to have your knowledge organiser out alongside your pencil case. Now, a knowledge organiser will give you the information on each key topic that you learn. It will give you the facts and the figures about certain topics in each subject. Now, I talked earlier about being prepared for learning. When you start high school, you will be expected to be more independent and be prepared for each lesson. At the start of each lesson, you'll place your pencil case and knowledge organiser on your desk so that your teacher sees that you are prepared and ready. Now, in your pencil case at our school, we expect you to have a pen, ideally a spare pen, a pencil, a rubber and a ruler. We also expect you to have a scientific calculator for maths and for science. We also expect you to carry a reading book because there'll be plenty of time set aside in form time and English to read quietly. One of our routines in the morning as you come into school is to check that you have these things so that we know when you get to your lessons you can get straight on with the really, really important learning. Now, next time I speak to you Year 6, it will hopefully be face to face and I can share with you more exciting ways in which we learn at Sir Thomas Bottler Church of England High School. Speak to you soon. Take care.